Hello and welcome all of you. You're watching K Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. Accountancy Mock Viva series for 2022 practical examinations. I'm here available with you all with certain questions from ratio analysis, certain questions from cash flow analysis. आपके practical examination में external examiner आपसे क्या questions पूछने वाले हैं? Every student has a lot of anxiety regarding such things. So today I'm starting with this series for 2022 examination with the mock Viva questions of accountancy, business studies, and economics. Today, this video relates to the accountancy mock Viva. So there, without wasting much time, let's begin with it. Good afternoon, Ekansh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Let's start with the accountancy Viva. We are starting with the, just give your introduction first. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Ekansh and I am a student of class 12th Commerce from Delhi, and my school name is Dev Samaj Modern School.
Fantastic. Now, my first question, and that can be a very common question with each and every subject, that is why CBSE has introduced this project work in your curriculum. In accountancy, there is a project work have been introduced. Why CBSE has introduced this project work in your curriculum?
Sir, CBSE has introduced this project in our curriculum to familiarize the students with practical knowledge.
What kind of practical knowledge? Just elaborate a little bit more.
Sir, like we in project analyze the actual companies and their performance, and in the books and exams we study the theory material.
So whatever you have studied in your books, whether in practical world, whether it is applicable or not, you just want to check that, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now just give a brief description of your whole project. Whatever you have prepared, just give a brief description of your whole project.
Okay. Sir, in my project, I have analyzed the cash flow statement of Havells India Limited with the current year and previous year. And I have also drawn some conclusions from the analysis.
Continue, please.
Yes, sir, I have also drawn conclusions. And I have analyzed the cash flow statement with the help of comparative statement.
What tools of financial statement analysis you have used? The tools of analysis.
Sir, I have used comparative statement.
Comparative statement. And cash flow statement also?
Yes, sir.
Have you prepared cash flow statement also?
No, sir, I have got it from the annual reports of the company.
आपने कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट भी बनाया या सिर्फ कंपैरेटिव एंड कॉमन साइज ही बनाया है?
सर कंपैरेटिव बनाया है.
हाँ, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट
है उसका सर प्रिंट आउट है, सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट.
नो इश्यूज. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी, let me ask you a very simple question from the cash flow statement, a very ground level question. You must have studied income tax in cash flow statement. There is a particular treatment for income tax in cash flow statement. So can you tell me under which type of activity income tax will be shown, in the operating activities or investing activities or the financing activities?
So income tax will be shown in the operating activities.
Whether it will be added or deducted?
Sir, it will be both, because the income tax paid will be subtracted and the provision made for it will be added.
Fantastic. That's absolutely correct answer. Let me enhance the level of the question a little bit. Dividend tax. Dividend tax, where it will be shown in the cash flow statement? Operating, investing or financing?
Sir, it will be shown in the financing activities.
Financing activities. Will it be deducted or added?
So it will be deducted
if it is paid, right? Another one, income tax on the capital gain for the sale of machinery. Income tax on capital gain for the sale of machinery, where it will be shown? Operating, investing, or financing?
Sir, in investing activity.
Deducted or added?
So deducted.
Deducted. Fine. All your questions were correct. Correct. Absolutely correct. Coming to comparative statement. There is a analysis called as horizontal analysis, and there is an analysis called as vertical analysis. Can you give me the difference between horizontal and vertical analysis?
Yes, sir. Sir, in horizontal analysis, we compare the amounts of 2 years, current year and previous year, or any other base year. And in vertical analysis, we compare the amounts of only 1 year, whether it will be of 2 companies or between the segments of only 1 company.
Fine. Okay, so comparative statement, may it be a comparative balance sheet, may it be a comparative statement of profit and loss. Is it a vertical analysis or is it a horizontal analysis?
The comparative statement is a horizontal analysis.
Horizontal analysis. That's great. Absolutely correct. Should I ask 1 or 2 questions from ratio analysis also? However, that have been already assessed in your term 1 examination. So, do you remember any of the things regarding the ratio or not?
Yes, sir. I remember some of them.
You still remember. What is the relation between operating profit ratio and operating ratio?
Sir, the relation is that operating ratio plus operating profit ratio is equal to 1.
Will it always be equal to 1 only, or can it be 100 also?
Sir, it can be 100%.
In case operating ratio is 35%. So what will be the operating profit ratio?
65%.
That's absolutely correct. So in my view, you are completely prepared, because whatever question I have asked you, you have answered all the questions correctly as well as confidently. So in my view, you are completely 100% prepared, and I just wish you all the very best for your main practical examination. Any sort of query or any sort of question you would like to ask? Any doubt regarding the practicals if you are having in your mind?
Sir, first of all, thank you for your blessings, and I have no doubt as yet.
You are completely prepared. You just need to do one thing. Just go through with your project file once or twice, so that you will be much more prepared. However, all the answers you have given, that were correct, and confidently you have answered. So that was a fantastic presentation from your side. And I wish you all the very best for your coming main practical examination. Fine. When it has been scheduled for, on which date it is scheduled, accountancy practical?
Sir, it is scheduled on 7th of April.
7th of April. So sufficient time you are having still, so you can prepare in a better manner. Fine. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, Ekansh. All the very best. God bless you.